Hey beautiful friend, welcome to Digital Global India. In this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a QR code for our website. So let's go ahead and create a QR code for our website. So simply I'll just go on my web browser. Okay, here it is, and I'll search for the QR code generator. Let it open. Yeah, that website qrcodegenerator.com, and simply I'll just mention the link. It's my website Digital Global India. I'll just copy the link and I'll paste it here. Like I want QR code for that website. Simply just go on generate option, then paste the link, and here your QR code is ready. Then just download it, and after that give any name, it's up to you. Then I'll just give QR code, then download it, and now it's time to check it's working or no. So simply I'll just open the scanner to check it. Like simply I'll just click that website to scan. You can scan by your phone also. Then choose a file, then I'll just click that option, that QR code, and see my friend, it's working. digitalglobalindia.com. When I'll click that one, I'll redirect to my website. So I hope that video is useful for you. So thank you so much and take care.